Previously, we talked about using prefixes and suffixes with simple title formats. But what about if we used a compound format? One that uses a title and text, or two titles, for example. Hi, I'm Juliet, and today we're going to be using more complex uses of prefixes and suffixes with compound formats in Scrivener 3 for Windows. Let's start with the title and text. The prefix and suffix tabs don't work the same way in this kind of format. Well, they do, but if you enter something into them, you'll find that you get the prefix before the title and the suffix after the second element. That probably isn't what you want. Now, you'll also see under the Title Options tab that the titles actually have their own little prefix and suffix boxes. And in this kind of format, you can use these to create prefixes and suffixes around your titles. Just be sure not to delete anything that's already in the boxes. You will need also to add returns around your inserted prefix or suffix. What about a compound that's two titles together? In most cases, I suspect you would simply want the prefix and suffix around both titles, so the prefix and suffix tabs will work better. Now for title options. If we do what we did before in the title options, we get the same result as the prefix and suffix boxes, except the fonts aren't the same. They're based on the main title and the subtitle. So in order to get something around the main title, you'll need to put both the prefix and the suffix in the title prefix box. If you want something around your subtitle only, that's more difficult because of the formatting of the elements in the individual title boxes. You'd probably be better off choosing a different layout that splits out your titles. Perhaps a separate chapter title, and then a section title plus text would work. This video is where the prefix and suffix journey started, and there are a few other videos you can watch as a follow-on.